What's up, YouTube? Do you miss me? I know it's been a long time, alright? Chill out, don't hurt me. But I'm back and better than ever. And I know y'all like my hair, so how about a little tutorial on how I get this cute perm rod set, okay? Roll a clip. So what I like to do is wash my hair the night before and part it in 4 sections and kind of like twist it and bantu knot it up just so it could stretch out instead of using the blow dryer. And that method allows me to do these perm rod sets without having a blow dryer and putting excess heat on my hair. And then I just take a wide tooth comb. I actually start in the back section when I'm doing the perm rods. I take a wide tooth comb and comb my hair out, and it's real simple and real easy. I love this stretching method because, like I said before, it allows me to stretch my hair without blow drying it, and that prevents heat damage. Okay, so here I'm taking not a small and not a large section, but a pretty healthy section to start off my perm rod. And then I clip my remaining hair that's out up, and I take the perm rod. You're gonna see, well, not the perm rod, this second I wet my hair a little bit, and then I go in with my foam and lotion. And of course, you know, I'm gonna use that Lotta Body. I love Lotta Body foam, baby. It works really good for me on my natural hair, and it leaves my hair soft and shiny, and it prevents like the frizz, because I've noticed when I use other setting lotions, I still have a little bit of frizz to my hair if I don't blow dry it. But the Lotta Body, it takes care of it, honey. Okay. And then I do like 3 pumps on a section, and I'm taking my perm rod. This is what I'm going to say. You have to make sure when you're doing the end of your perm rod that it's extra smooth, because the curl will not come out right if it's not smooth. And I like to do a twist up method when I'm putting my perm rod in. So I'll curl it at the ends, well, put it on my perm rod at the ends, and then I twist up. As you all gonna see, I do this multiple times in the video so you can get the idea of how to do that. So we wet it and comb it out, and you're gonna see me do my foam. I like to do one section at the end and then go in at the root. And we take that perm rod, make sure the end is really smooth. You know, that makes the perfect perm rod set, if you're making sure your ends are really smooth on the perm rod. And then we go up, and then we twist it up, and bam. That's gonna prevent my roots from getting real puffy, and it just allows my hair to be really smooth and not frizzy. Now we're on our last perm rod set, and as you can see in the front of my hair, I like to do it like going towards my face, because I just like the look of it. You're gonna see when I take it down, but again, I'm gonna do this one last time. Take the foam at the end, make sure the end is really smooth, and we're gonna take that perm rod. You have to make sure your ends are really smooth with the perm rods. That's gonna make the perfect perm rod set, okay? If you don't get nothing from this video, make sure the end of your perm rod is really smooth. All right, and then twist, and bam, lock it on in. And then when you're closing, well, you're putting a cap on the perm rod. Make sure you're doing it in front, because that makes sure the perm rod is set really tight. Well, not really tight, but it just holds it in better in place when you're locking it in the front. And bam, you see that perm rod set, honey. That is a professional perm rod set. You can't tell me nothing. And then you can either, like I use this hooded dryer that connects to my blow dryer, and I'll put it on for about an hour. I don't set it because I do leave my perm rods on overnight, but I'll do this and connect it with my blow dryer for about an hour just to set it. So now we're going to take these perm rods out. Make sure you're going towards the way you put the perm rod in, just to help the curl, so you don't mess the curl up. And now that our perm rods are all out, it's time to separate them. So what I like to do is rub a little oil in my palm. So like I said, the main thing is you don't want your perm rods to look too frizzy. So the oil will help it prevent the frizz when you're separating them. And I just go along with the curl and just separate them out. It's real easy. I start at the end and then go up and separate them. It's real easy to do. And that's how you're going to get the perfect perm rod set. I think we should rule out the women for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You keep falling apart. You just go in and continue to separate your perm rods. Look at how pretty that look, girl. Oh, girl, you looking good already. Yeah. And you see how all the curls are coming together and they're not frizzy. So that oil really prevents the frizz too, as well as the what? As well as the lotta body. You know, I love that lotta body. And then you're either going to take a pick or a wide tooth comb and fluff out the root so it can give volume to the perm rod set. This is one of my favorite parts of doing it because it makes the look come together. And yeah, period. Girl, you looking good. You see it? You see it? You see it? This perm rod set is one of my favorite hairstyles to do in the summer. It's really low maintenance. And let me know if you all want a video on how I upkeep this style and how I sleep at night to make sure my perm rods are real cute. Yeah, girl, real cute and easy. I hope y'all like this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe the video. Bam!